Welcome back, traders and investors, to the beginner's guide to candlesticks and chart patterns on Barchart.com. Ever wondered how traders find those perfect breakout patterns or spot reversals before the market turns? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Barchart's candlestick patterns list to spot real trading opportunities fast. We'll explore what these patterns mean, where to learn more about them, and how you can scan the entire market for setups that match your trading strategy. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned trader, this is a tool you'll want to have in your arsenal. As always, let's take a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Before diving in, Barchart gives you a solid foundation to understand what each pattern means. Let's go to the Learn tab and select Site Education. Then, once there, click on Identifying Candlestick Patterns. Here, you'll find an educational breakdown with visual examples and explanations. These candlestick patterns are made up of one or more candles that signal potential reversals or continuation in price. So if you're unsure what a doji, evening star, or bullish and bearish engulfing candle means, this is where you get caught up to speed fast. Each pattern includes a chart example and a short, easy to understand explanation to help you learn how to recognize it on a real chart. Now, let's look at how you can actually find stocks that are forming these patterns. First, click on the Investing tab and select Candlestick Patterns. And if you want to go even deeper, make sure to check out the Barchart's exclusive Candlestick Patterns webinar. It's a full session that walks you through common formations, how to confirm them, and where they work best in your strategy. You'll find that linked right at the top of the Candlestick Patterns page. It's a great visual walkthrough if you want to master the meaning behind each setup. Now, once you're familiar with the basics, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Let's go back to the candlestick patterns, and this is where Barchart breaks down every major candlestick setup, complete with a name, short description, and whether it's considered bullish or bearish. Now, these aren't just static examples. You can actually click on these patterns to pull up a scan of stocks forming that setup across the market. Let's say you click on bullish engulfing. This will load a list of tickers currently showing that exact formation. You can sort this list by percent change, price, or volume to narrow it down to your criteria. This is where you turn theory into action, spotting setups as they form across the entire market. You can also use this to see if patterns are forming on the weekly, or change the view from intraday to weekly if you're looking for long-term trends. We can also adjust our list view to showcase custom data fields like technicals, fundamentals, or the mini chart view. This will allow us to view multiple charts at once and adjust our time frames and bar types to candlesticks to visualize these patterns forming. And for a deeper look, use the Flipcharts feature at the top of any patterns page. This pulls up the chart for each stock in that list, one after another, so you can spot the strongest technical setups in seconds. You can also customize your charts to show the indicators and tools you use, whether it's candlesticks instead of bars, or adding moving averages, RSI, or volume to your charts. Then, scan through the list of chart patterns using the arrows on the side or the ribbon at the top. Now let's say you want to go even further. Screen the entire market for stocks forming bullish candlestick patterns with specific technical criteria. Well, under the Screeners tab, you can choose bullish candlestick patterns as a filter. You can also add additional filters to narrow it down by volume, sector, price range, fundamentals, or whatever that fits your strategy. And if you want to stay ahead of these setups with custom trade alerts, just click Save Screener and set up email alerts. Barchart will notify you whenever new stocks match your exact filter for these candlestick patterns across the market. If you like any of these setups or stocks you found, you can save the results by clicking here to save it as a new watch list, append it to an existing one, or replace an old one to track these new trades. Then check back later to see how these candlestick patterns played out on the charts. Now, You know how to identify candlestick patterns, scan for chart formations, and filter down to the setups that matter most to you. So you've got everything you need to turn chart patterns into real opportunities. From customizing your list view to flipping through charts at lightning speed, to saving your screener and setting up daily alerts, Barchart makes it too easy to stay ahead of the action no matter your experience level. Now, if you learned something new today, give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tools on Barchart.com.